So it's Sunday, so I just want to go through US30 and the NASDAQ 100. Last week was very bad. The market was just going down. So I am on a daily time frame. So the market on Friday tried to recover. But let me remove these things so that you can see. But I had drawn something like this, a resistance like a support like this. I thought maybe the market was going to reach this point before it goes up. So that did not happen. So I've just realized again that the market also had something like this here. You can see here the market had this sorry, let me show you. There was something like this here and another move, which this thing, it was a resistant. And if you can, let me zoom this thing, then you can see it's a daily time frame so that you can see everything. So I realized that the market came here. You can see that. Let me change the color, maybe you can see everything. Not this one. Let me use a very, let me see. Yeah, now you can see that. So you can see here the market rejected from this point, even here, but finally here the market broke this resistance, but the market came again and make this thing as a support. So just because I drawn this thing, I was expecting, I never thought the market will come here, and if I didn't even think about this one here. So now I start to see that the market can still make this as a strong support. As you can see here, we had several rejections, so this can be a very nice support. It means that the market can no longer reach this point if the market just respected the same support as this one here, which also makes sense. You can see from, you can see here. So you can see even this candle here came very closer. It's a daily time frame, came here, rejected. The second one came again, when the market was going down, came here and reject from this point. So if maybe we go to a smaller time frame, I think we will see you can see the market was just rejecting from this point. Let's see, let's go. You can see that now the market was just rejecting here. It's 3 hours time frame. So if I go to a smaller time frame like 1 hour, I think you will see like 10 or more than 10 hours of candlesticks. You can see, let me remove. Then this, I think it's a nice resistant at the moment, or sorry, support. So for, let's see if maybe we can still have some nice buys, because the market just jumped on Friday later. I think we might have a gap, another gap, a very nice gap on Monday. So let's go to a 4-hour time frame and see if maybe we can draw something to confirm with our buy orders. If we still want to put some buy orders, let's see if we can draw something from this point. Yeah, we can. Let me zoom this thing out, so that if you want to confirm that this thing is still going, because the market has its own ways of making us to lose, so we have to play by the rules, you see. And now the market is here. I'm on a 4-hour time frame. Even if you go to a smaller time frame, you will see similar stuff, but you will see many candles. So the market was just respecting this resistance. You can see that. So the market was just going down, coming here, going down. So it means that you should also consider that the market can still come here and respect this resistance, because we are not broken. The market is not did not break this point at the moment. So, and you can see it's from around the 15th of February, yeah, since the market was just going down. So for us to have that confident that the market is gonna go up, now obviously here we are on a support, the market is pushing up, but we should have something like push up, break this point, then we can, even if maybe the market doesn't come and retest, at least we have we have an idea of what might happen, because the market will just break when the market broke our resistance. So if the market is broke, the line is broken here, then we can expect that the market now is pushing higher. So, but if we follow the rules as we should, the market should break, come and retest, then we can get it somewhere here. Then everything is, when the market is going up, obviously the market won't just go up like that. The market can do something like this. We buy somewhere here, stop loss somewhere here, then the market will just do something like that. Can even drop sometimes, just to confuse everyone and think that the market is still going down. So I think there's no much here, everything is just straightforward. So if we, let me just show you that we can still have a very nice buy here. You can see the market is still very low actually, so we expect that the market can still, after this we can have a very nice higher highs, a new high. After this maybe the market will create the new high. So the best thing is to get the market around when it's breaking. If you are not already in the, if you did not place any order on Friday, so it means you'll just wait for the market to break this point, or maybe for the market to just come down again and reject from this point, then you can get a nice buy. Okay, so let's go straight to US30. Okay, here it's US30. So the market was just crazy, guys. So I don't know, you can check you can check the daily analysis that I done on Friday. I think I thrown something like this. This was the support that we expected, but I never thought that the market will just bounce from this one, because it doesn't seem to be a very strong support, but the market just came and respected this point here. So now it's our support. The market just shot up, you can see that, but now we have this resistance here. Sorry, we have this resistance here. So I think the market will come here and try to go down, or the market will just break and continue to go up, or the market can just do its thing, come here, start to consolidate like this. If you can draw your resistance, so your support line from this point, you can see the market was just playing like that before it start to go crazy. So it's really possible that the market can do something like this if it doesn't break to the top, or maybe the market will just reject from this point. So I think everything now is very clear. We are no longer worried about the market dropping, because actually we are always bullish on this market. So the best thing is to wait until, because now we are already very close. So in my group we already made some profit from this point. We entered somewhere here, I think, then everyone was in profit. So we have this group, WhatsApp group and Telegram group. It's $15. If you like to be mentored or assisted daily, just check my Telegram number or WhatsApp on the description. Then you can be in the group, then you can start to enjoy the daily signals. Okay, from this point you can see the market made it easy for us. But if you go to a smaller time frame, you will see different stuff. Let me show you when we go to a smaller time frame. So on a smaller time frame, it's where you can see where you can buy, where you can sell. So we have to remove these things. Our support here, let me remove it. So as here it's our support. So things were like this. We had this, and we had something like this. I think this one should just continue up to this point. Then you can call it a wedge, or I just call it the way it is. It's a triangle. I see a triangle. So from this point, you can see the market was just going up and down inside this triangle. Then the market broke here. Then after that, we had the NFP news later on Friday. So the market, after the market broke here, the market just dropped. Then after this point, it's where the market went up again. So let me show you a screenshot that we did, or when we do the analysis. Okay, here you can see the screenshot that I sent to the group. So the market here, if you can see, it was before the market break here. The market went down and came and retraced, then shot up after that. But after that, when there were NFP news, the market tried to drop. You can see the market dropped, then we had a nice buy. Even here on US30, the market at that time came here, we bought, but the market broke before the news. The market came here, broke here at our resistance, then tried to go up. Is that time when the news happened? Then the market came here again, then pushed up that way. So from, if you got it somewhere here, obviously you made a very nice profit, or after the market breaks here again, then still you made a very nice profit. But it was very scary with when you trade during the news like NFP, because the market just goes up and down. So we had a very big rejection before the market push up. Even here we had a very big rejection. If you check this number here, if you check here, it's that support that I was talking about on the analysis. Even here on US30 is that support that I was showing you. So that, unfortunately, information like this, you will get it on the group, because we send information like this a few minutes before the market open, or when we see a very nice signal. So after this, we had nice buys, everything was great. So let's go back to the chart. I hope maybe you see the bigger picture, what was really happening. You see, here we are. Then the market just broke this point, broke this. Then it's where I say the market went up. Here is when there were news here. You can see this candle. Then if you got it somewhere here, it's where I did put the support on the screen that I showed you now. Then the market just shot up. But we think maybe here, I think here the market maybe will just struggle around here, or the market will just break and still go up again. So if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe notification button, and don't forget to like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Please don't forget to check tomorrow for the daily analysis that I do daily. Thank you.